So today, I am going to fix my clapped out Infiniti Q50. Sadly, if you watched my previous video, I'm gonna be missing my midnight blue wheel. But that's okay. Good news is I ordered some more. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and remove first the carbon fiber side skirts that are all damaged. Let me show you how damaged they are. That looks like pretty damaged to me over here, and since they're 4-piece or 3-piece carbon fiber side skirts, they're notoriously garbage because they're not straight aligned. I'm gonna get one that's gonna be 100% straight aligned, because look at this, that's damaged if there's crack. So I'm gonna remove all of them and then gonna install the new ones. So this is the trash carbon fiber that I had underneath. Now let's open up this carbon fiber. This is now a 1-piece carbon fiber styled side skirt that I'm going to install right now. May not be real carbon fiber, it's way better than the 4-piece I had. Right, folks, that's the old carbon fiber. This is the new carbon fiber. It's not going to go anywhere. Sorry I couldn't record because couple-person job and some people don't want to be on camera for privacy reasons, but basically this is not going anywhere. It's solid. Got it all installed with screws, no double-sided tape. Use self-tapping screws. Some of the self-tapping screws are spinning, but you gotta really, I'm talking about really push it in hard in order for it to break or come off. It's gonna take some force. So we got that squared away. It's perfect. Might put a screw in here, I think. Oh, gotta finish the rear end surprise that I'm gonna show you all. So this is all finished, but carbon fiber rear splitter. Yep, carbon fiber rear splitters. I think that's what they call them. So I got that installed. So now she's more flush. The only thing I hate is some of the carbon fiber parts going away, but it's not a big deal because once it comes off, it's just still there, but it's not as glossy. But until it goes completely bad, I'm not gonna change them. Even if it does, it's whatever. It's called wear and tear in the car until it's like completely damaged. But that's good to go. I'm gonna be sad to see these wheels go, but it is what it is. We have some plans with the headlights though. The headlights, they used to be carbon fiber, these eyelids, but I plan to maybe like mask everything up with masking tape and paint this all black. That's the plan. So if that works, then we're Gucci, and I might not need to change the headlights in a while. But hey, subscribe to the channel. There's a lot of stuff going with this car build. So just did a test drive. On final note, nothing seems to have come off. Everything seems to be stable. Everything is good, still secured and intact. Everything is good. So we're gonna have no issues with any of the trim pieces at all. Looks like good. Everything good. So installation went properly. And guess what, folks? I didn't use any 3M tape because 3M tape not gonna hold anything down. So just a bunch of self-tapping screws fixes that issue. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2004 Turn right. driving attempt on the 6 Series.